good morning, and I wish you all remain happy. Today you will be thinking, why rather saying, hope you are happy, I am saying, I wish you remain happy. Because today I am going to discuss or I am going to speak over a very crucial topic. Because yesterday morning I got up and I saw a newspaper and I became very sad when I saw that our AIMS doctor committed suicide. He was only in 40s and it was a third suicide in that same hospital. And you really you can't imagine even the students, the doctor who are in AIMS, how hard work they do to get that status, to get that position. So why it is happening? And this is not only the one case like our doctors. Most of the successful people I have seen, like last year I have heard that in IS committed suicide. Most of the time I am seeing sometimes IPS, sometimes models, sometimes film actress. Why these things are happening? Why the people are committing suicide? We say that people are now successful, they are in tension because of their career. No, because we have never heard that any poor person is committing suicide. We always have seen the rich people, the successful people, they have reached up to that level where they wanted to go. They have committed suicide. Yes, of course, we have seen the students also committing suicide if they are unable to get. But after an age, the successful people are also committing suicide. This family who is having some status in that, they go for an inquiry, but most of the time it doesn't. And we say we have seen the suicide. Find happiness. If you would be happy, then why you will be committing suicide? So have you ever tried to know what might be the root cause behind that? No, you have never. There might be various causes, but the main cause that we people are self-responsible for that. Now you would say, how we people are self-responsible? Yeah, we people are self-responsible for these things because we have developed the thinking of I. We never think about we. We always separate. We always say, I am the important person. I must be given the importance. Everybody should consult. Everybody should give importance to me. We always think about I. We never try to understand others. There is a word in English, empathy. Why we say, why now these days the topic emotional intelligence is being taught and discussed everywhere. Why? Because we are not having the feeling of empathy. We do not try to understand the other person. We always want to understand ourselves. We always expect from others, please try to understand me. Why we do not understand others also? Might be some people are introverted, they do not discuss their feelings, and most of the time you must have observed the men are committing suicide. I'm not saying the girls are not committing, but the ratio, if the percentage could be seen, because it has been said that women discuss a lot with their friends, but male, they do not discuss, they do not ever discuss their problems. So, and a person who is committing suicide, he might be of introverted nature, or he is depressed because he is not depressed because of that money and all. He is depressed because of relationship. We people, God has given us plenty and plenty and plenty of love that can never abolish. How much you will give, double and triple you will achieve. So why we are so miser in giving happiness to someone? We do not have to spend money. We don't have to put any effort. Why you do not think to bring happiness on other face? Why you do not do any effort to give smile on any other face? When you get up in the morning, why you don't think, okay, today I'll be giving happiness to my family, to my parents, to my cousin, to my friends, to my relatives, whosoever is that? No, we always feel irritated, we always feel depressed. When the survey was done, the India was, out of 156, India was on the 144 among the happiest nation. Why it is? Why people are unhappy? Because we are unable to give happiness, we are unable to share the happiness. We have forgot to remain happy. We have forgot to share our feelings. We are going to be so much mechanized. We are not trying to understand our people, our friends, our colleagues. We always have the feeling of like we always want to harm others. We always think how I can harm, how I can go ahead. Why you do not try to be a good friend? Why you do not try to be a good human being? One day everybody will die, but that death will be natural. We do not have right to kill ourselves. My life is not for me, my life is for everyone. Like if you have the doctor, it means how many patients are waiting for you. You are the hope for so many people. How you can abolish the hope of so many people who expect from you a lot? Then my child will get well soon because of you, doctor. And your parents, you are the hope of your parents, you are the hope of that nation. How many good people we get? Very few people are successful in our country. Very few good doctors, very few, means we find the IS officer, and top people are very few. And we have lots of expectations that they will do something for this nation. They will do something for this country. But why? Why they are doing these things? Why we are unable to understand? Only because right from very beginning we are teaching our child, get study, do study, and learn. You have to study only because you have to one day make your career and you have to earn money. That is the motto of your life. Why we do not teach these things in our curriculum? Why happiness is not the subject? Why this is not considered important? Last year Delhi government has started the happiness classes. Even now Madhya Pradesh and one more state of India, they have started happiness index. All things. Why we are not observing the people? Then why someone can kill himself? He has no right to kill himself. He should understand. And who will understand him if he is unable to understand for what we are? Until and unless we are not having the feeling of we. Because we always believe in taking. We never believe in giving. We have become so selfish. A person is doing for us something, that is means for 10 minutes, for 1 day, for 2 days, for a month, for a week, we remember that person has done something for me. Then again we forget. And we again start thinking, he has done, okay, I have given him, or I have not given him, but we do not develop the nature of giving the things. We always have the attitude, because we are I. Because I am not giving importance. He is not doing this thing for me. She is not doing this thing for me. I should leave. We are least bothered how much we are harming to someone's emotions. We are least bothered. Why we are playing with the emotions of the people? We should learn to give happiness. God has given us plenty of love. We do not love nature. We do not love people. We do not love animals. Have you ever thought about yourself? That how much you have and how much you are giving, and the meaning of love you take. Otherwise, that love, that doesn't mean only you love to your wife, your beloved, or your boyfriend or your girlfriend. Love means you love everybody. You care. You do have emotions. You do have humanity. You understand others' emotions also. You observe the people who are close to you. They are depressed. They are in tension. Try to give happiness to him. Try to observe him. Try to know him. Try to understand him and do something for him. Try to change his mind. Try to tell him for what you are. This is our mind. We can do everything for anyone, but we are not trying because we are always full of anger. We are going anywhere. We always, why? Because my ego clash everywhere. Why should I? If I will not do so, one day I can also commit suicide. I can be the part of that. If I am not going to improve myself, maybe I also commit suicide. So my request to you all intellectual people, all people, everybody, please and please and please, do not think to commit suicide first thing. Second thing, please, all people learn to believe in giving only. Learn to give them hope, give them happiness. If you will give, in return you will get so much. Try to give the smile on their face. Success doesn't mean that person is happy. He needs something. He feels isolated. He's in isolation because he's not getting any friend. He's not getting any person whom he can share his feelings. We say that person is proudy. We say that person has attitude problem. Okay, whatever the problem he has, can we not understand him? After all, he is a human being. For what we are learning through our education, what we are learning from this society, First of all, we are human beings. Learn to be a good human. Try to give happiness, try to give support, try to cooperate each other. That this is a very important life God has given us. We do not have right to kill, and only we can solve this problem. Only we people. If we become good human being, if we do not feel any kind of grudge with anyone, if you have any kind of dispute, do not feel any ego problem. Go and talk to him politely. Nothing will happen with you. You will be the happiest person. And if you are the happiest person, you will be able to create happiness. So today I request you all, please do not commit suicide, do not let the people commit suicide, and take the oath to spread the happiness, to give the happiness, to have the feeling of empathy, to try to understand each other. And I request to my all doctors, then please do not do, because you are the hope for a nation, and these people really give the life to so many people, so they do not have right to kill themselves. Thank you, and I hope a lot, and I think you will really do something and you will change yourself. Thanks, and thanks a lot.